Hi, my name is Judy Schrampf of the Financial Health Club. I believe everybody can become financially fit. For some of you, it means taking a few steps. For some of you, it means taking a lot of steps. But I think it's all worthwhile in the end. Financial fitness means that you know where your money is, you know where it's going, and you've put plans in place to protect your financial situation. So it doesn't mean that you have to be rich. It just means that you need to make the most of what you've got. So I've talked to you a bit about insurance and taking care of your, or the financial protection piece of things. And today I want to continue that. I've been talking about it in general, but today I want to get a little bit more specific. So I'm going to start by asking you this question. What would you do today if I told you there was a 1 in 3 chance that you'd win the lottery? I think that, me included, we'd all be rushing out to get lottery tickets. Those are pretty good odds. Now, that is not a true statement, so please don't go do that. On the negative side, though, what if I told you that there was a 1 in 3 chance that you would develop a critical illness in your lifetime? Would that make you do the same thing, go out and rush to buy critical illness insurance? Probably not. That one you'd have to think about a little bit more. So I just want to put things in a bit of perspective right now, and I want to just look at our sources of insurance that we do have in place. And we're just going to look at the first one being home insurance. And now we buy home insurance for different things, maybe to protect against damage to the house, little things and such. But really, the premium we're paying is allowing us to be covered in the event that we have a house fire and our home is completely destroyed. What's the chances of you having a house burned down in a fire right to the ground? 1 in 17,000. How many of you have home insurance? I'd say most of you do, even though there's only 1 in 17,000 chance that you'll have a house fire to burn your house down to the ground. The next one would be, what's the chances of you going out driving your brand new car and having it totaled in an accident? We all have auto insurance. Maybe not all of us have collision insurance, but lots of us do. There's a 1 in 1,700 chance that you're going to have your brand new car totaled in an accident. Premature death. I say premature death because the chances of dying are 100%. We will all die, but premature death, 1 in 78. So that's where life insurance comes into place, strictly life insurance. Now, disability, what's the chances that you're going to collect on disability income? Well, that's a little bit different depending on your age. If you're less than 65 years of age, there's a 1 in 16 chance that you will claim on disability income. There's a 1 in 9 chance for those of you who are over 65 that you may need some sort of disability income. So we come to the final insurance, critical illness insurance. A 1 in 3 chance that you'll be diagnosed with a critical illness. Now, you may have heard of critical illness insurance. You're not quite sure what it's all about. Basically, it pays out a lump sum if you survive the diagnosis of a critical illness. And that's a heart attack, that's stroke, cancer, all the major critical illnesses. So wouldn't it be nice to know that you could have a lump sum that would take you through times of treatment, or maybe to pay out a lump sum so you can get another opinion, maybe fly to a clinic somewhere and get some help on your critical illness. That lump sum can be used for anything. Now, you might be wondering about the premium, and you've probably heard maybe premiums on that are quite high. Well, you can also have a piece in place on your critical illness that allows you to pay, you can be paid back your premium if you beat the odds and you're never diagnosed with a critical illness. So there's protection on that side. So I want you to think about that. I want you to look at those statistics. I don't want you to go out and buy a lottery ticket, but I want you to think about this, and then I want you to go do something about it. Thanks for watching.